Hi, this is Abby Waldron, the Library Media Specialist at Wamogo Regional High School. This is a screencast to show you how to check out books on Overdrive. Overdrive is our online catalog where students can check out ebooks and audiobooks. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to the Wamogo website. And on the Wamogo website, you want to click on the left-hand side where it says Library Media Center, and this will bring you to the Library Media Center webpage. Once you're on the Library Media Center webpage, you click on Overdrive eBooks and Audiobooks right here. You will need your library card number to check out a book, and all students at our school have a library card number that they can get if they stop by the library, and they type in their library card number in the space provided and click Sign In. Once a student is logged in, they'll come to this first page, which shows the newest titles on the shelf. Our catalog is for our entire district, so there are books at every level for students to check out. Students can check out books that are right here on the shelf. They can browse by clicking forward on these arrows. They can also explore, look up here, and explore every fiction book, every nonfiction book. They can search by audiobooks. They can search by genres. There's many ways for them to find the book that they're looking for. They can also search by title in the search window right here. They can type in a title and see if it's a book that we have. If you are looking for a certain grade level, click on grade levels and it'll show you the books organized in that way. So there are a lot of books to choose from in our catalog, and I'm going to pick one so that I can show you the process that you go through when you check out a book. So I'm going to pick out this book right here. Once you click on a title, you can read a short synopsis of the book. You can also read more if you click on sample. It'll show you a couple more pages of the book. If you'd like to take this book out, you click on borrow. And if sometimes the book is not in, you can add it to your wish list. If the book is not in, the borrow button will not appear. When I hover over the borrow button, you can see that the formats it comes in. This book comes in the Kindle format, Overdrive Read format, an Adobe EPUB ebook, and Adobe PDF book. So it comes in many formats. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the book to borrow it. And the book goes into what's called my locker. I have two choices here. I can download the book, and if I click on download, it'll ask me what format I'd like to download. Or I can read it in my browser. If I read it in my browser, what happens is I click on it and it opens automatically. You can also see on the side here where it says March 24th. That's when it's going to be returned automatically. If I want to return it ahead of time, I can click return, and the book will be taken out of my locker and returned to the catalog for someone else to check out. This is what an ebook looks like in your browser, and it's really simple to use. You can either come over to the table of contents over here and click through the chapters, or you can click right here on the page, and the page will turn and you can start reading your book. If you have any questions about the Overdrive ebook audiobook catalog, feel free to contact me. This is Abby Waldron, Library Media Specialist from Wamogo, and there's my email. And if your student has any questions, feel free to have them email me or stop by the Library Media Center at any time, and I'll help them get started on Overdrive. Thanks. Bye-bye.